Hello, welcome to Beginology. Today we will do a very simple thing about pollen germination. For that we can do that with many pollens, but I found best in flower periwinkle or vinca rosea. This is a very strange flower which we could not find any male and female part as such when we see the flower. So when we cut this flower, inside this we found the male and female part. So when we take the flower many a time, the ovary remains on the base. So when you take this flower many a time, the base is missing. So this has an ovary here. Anyhow, right now we don't need ovary. We need only pollen. Pollen is on the neck of the flower. So we better need cavity slide. This is a 2 cavity slide. There is a concavity here. So we made 2 solution. One 10% glucose solution, which we give 10 gram in 100 ml, and 20% glucose solution, which we give 20 gram in 100 ml. So we will find which is better. So we give a drop of 10 gram, 10% solution in left and 20% solution in right, and then from here fitting the digital lens so that whatever I can see, you can also. These round dots, round ones are pollen. Different pollen germinate in different time. I can see one pollen with a long pollen tube formation. In 20% solution, we find pollen nearly no germination. So we have seen pollen tube formation in 10% glucose solution. You can try different pollens, but I found this common flower, periwinkle or vinca rosea, is very good on it. We can get pollens, round pollens in different formation, but in 10% solution, if you give about 20 minutes, then pollen germination happens quite good. In some you will get long pollen, in some you will get short, and some others you will not get pollen germinated at all. This is biology. All the pollens may be different, but if you wait for many more time, maybe all pollens will grow. So this pollen grow in chemotropic way. The chemical secreted from ovule goes through the style into stigma, and from stigma this pollen tube forms along with male nuclei, 2 male nuclei to fertilize, to do the double fertilizing. So it's a very simple thing. So take a slide, give a drop of 10% solution, no need to try 20%. You can simply give 10% glucose solution, you give the pollen dust, the periwinkle, and then you will periwinkle, or we call Sadabahar, or in Bengali we call Nayan-tara. So I hope you understood how to grow pollen tube. Thank you.